Hey there, gorgeous. I'm Whitney, and this is my YouTube channel. Welcome. In today's video, I'll be doing an unboxing slash review slash try on of the Kylie and Balmain collab. All right, here we go. Oh! Alright, so we just got her super simple card. I thought this would probably be a picture of her and the person she was collabing with, but instead it's just her usual good choice. Glad you picked these products. Hope you enjoy them as much as I do, whatever. Anyways, still cute. Okay. So I went ahead and ordered 2 of each. They're so pretty. Oh, wow. The packaging feels super soft. We have some very cute packaging here. We've got light pastels, got some purple or lavender if you want to call it, baby pink, and it does have Kylie and Balmain written on it in shiny silver reflective letters. We're gonna go ahead and open this. Oh, cute. It's cute how she does the inside of the packaging. Kylie x Balmain. The encasings of these lip products are super cute. I am really impressed with this. The lip liner is actually a very, very faint lavender. It does have Kylie and Balmain written on it in shiny silver reflective letters. And at the top of the lip liner case, we have a bee. Kylie and Balmain is written in faint baby pink, and the tubes are the typical shiny glossy clear. We have the caps, which are super stunning. They're a mix between the colors pink and purple, so shiny and cute. They definitely match the packaging. If you've never purchased her high glosses before, here is something that you should know. They only come partially full. I showed that in my summer collection lip review, and I got a lot of comments saying, well, duh. You can't fit the cap back in or else it's all gonna overflow. Obviously. However, you may not realize exactly how much you're getting in this tube when the cap is actually on and the wand is actually inside the tube. So, I just wanna show you guys how much you're actually getting. Very excellent marketing tactic they've got going on there. A squeeze tube would be much more ideal, so you're not missing out on any product. Model behavior is described as a cotton candy pink with multi-dimensional pearls. In this high gloss, we do have some larger specks of glitter. It does have a little bit of shimmer of blue as well as purple and pink. We do still have that same yummy vanilla cupcake smell. You guys don't accidentally taste this, it is disgusting. Go ahead and put on another coat because it is cold outside. Something deeper. If I'ma find a keeper. Not saying I'm some genius, but I'm smart enough to know. This lip liner is a soft chocolate nude. That description is very fitting because it does look nearly identical to cocoa powder. The liquid lipstick is described as a warm, blushing pink. Here we have our lip liner, here we have our liquid lipstick, and then here we have the lip liner and the liquid lipstick. What I'm gonna do now is apply lip liner all over my lips. Yeah, I love a cry for help, but I'm tired of lying with liars. You're the truth, I'm scared to tell. There are deal breakers where I come from. My family don't suffer, fools gladly. Here is what the lip liner looks like. Lie in bed to feel awkward silences. Do we feel emptiness afterwards? Cause I want something deeper. If I'ma find a keeper. Not saying I'm some genius. So now what I'm gonna do is take the Paris liquid lipstick and apply a little bit to the center and just kind of dab it on out. Yeah, I want something deeper. If I find it, I'ma keep on. Not saying I'm some genius. Okay, so I'm gonna keep smiling in hopes that it doesn't crack. Also, smile lines are better than frown lines. You guys know we're gonna apply the high gloss because I'm obsessed with these. I love our high glosses. There. When I first apply it, you guys can really see that purple tint to it.
If I'm a find a keeper, not saying I'm some genius, but I'm smart enough to know I'm worth fighting for. Yeah, I want something deeper. If I find him, I'm a keeper. Not saying I'm some genius, smart enough to know I'm worth fighting.
I'm gonna apply the lip liner Paris to half of my lips.
Don't smile, you know I hated that you're so fine.
So now we're gonna take our Paris liquid lipstick and apply it.
Making me go crazy. No, I don't wanna fall, but boy, you made me. My heart ain't never been so out of control.
On the right side, we have the lip liner and the liquid lipstick. And on the left side, we just have the liquid lipstick.
Tease me like that, I'm gonna get you back. Oh, what's going on your mind? You know what's on mine, baby. I'm feeling physical. I'm feeling physical. You got me feeling physical.
I've only had this on for a little while, but I feel like it cracks earlier, if that makes sense, than her normal liquid lipsticks. Okay, we're gonna apply the high gloss over top of it. That is very pretty.
No, I don't wanna fall, but boy, you made me. No, I ain't never been so vulnerable. Oh, nah, nah.
So here we have the lip liner, liquid lipstick, and lip liner and liquid lipstick, all with the high gloss over top of them. So now I've got some swatch comparisons for you guys. Here we have high maintenance, and here we have Paris. High maintenance is definitely more cooler toned than Paris. Next we have Coco K. Coco K is actually a little bit more pink and cooler toned, as well as darker than Paris. Underneath that we have Kylie, which is definitely a lot more darker than Paris. Underneath that we have the Bigger the Hoops, which again is definitely more deep than Paris. And on the bottom we have Sweater Weather, which is warm, a lot deeper than the shade Paris. Doesn't really belong here, but yeah. I went ahead and purchased the lip kit and high gloss bundle for $38. So that saved me like $7. So I ordered these on their release date, September 27th. They finally got here today, October 5th. So it took 8 days to get here. This is a limited edition lip kit and high gloss, but if it's popular enough, I feel like it would probably come back as a regular lip kit. I like this lip kit. I think it's cute. I'm glad I got it. And of course, the high gloss. I don't have all of her high glosses, but of the ones that I do have and the ones that I've seen online, I have not seen one that looks similar to this. I feel like it's not really a cotton candy pink. It's more of a clear. When you apply it, it's definitely more of a clear. And it does not taste like cotton candy either. So I know what you guys are all thinking.
Since she released the lip blushes this fall and she had this collection, Kylie x Balmain, does that mean she's not gonna have a Halloween collection?
Well, I don't know. I don't know, because I'm like, we're not that close, me and Kylie. So I don't know. Obviously, I'm very satisfied with these, so that totally makes up for it if she doesn't. Also, this eye look that I'm wearing is inspired by the Kylie and Balmain collection. And if you guys would like to see the video of that, I will go ahead and link it in my description as soon as I get that video out. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like it and hit that subscribe button. Thanks, beautiful. Later.